This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable read receipts on WhatsApp. I will be using the desktop app on a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to WhatsApp here. I have WhatsApp opened up now. To enable or disable read receipts, you want to go off to the lower left-hand corner, down to your little profile icon. You want to click on that. Then you want to go down to where it says Privacy and click on Privacy. And then right in this area right here, Read Receipts. As you can see, by default, yours is probably toggled on. It says, if turned off, you won't send or receive read receipts. Read receipts are always sent for group chats. To toggle it off, you would just toggle this off here. And to enable read receipts, you would just toggle it back on. That is how to enable or disable read receipts on WhatsApp. Thanks for watching.